Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have my How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit video. That was a mouthful. So today I'm sharing the layouts that I made with my June kit, and then you'll be able to catch my July kit share on the 1st of July, so tomorrow, which is funny how that works. But I have all of these layouts that I made and I'm going to share with you these, and I'm also going to share with you all the stuff I have left over, which there's a lot more than this, don't worry. So this is the first layout that I made. I did do process videos for all of my layouts, so lucky you guys get to see them all. This one was definitely a fun one to do, a different type of layout for me. I even included journaling. Go Caitlin. I usually don't do that, so that's a big step. But this was it. All the details on this project are in that video. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, definitely different style. We have this weird layout. Had the idea, went with it. Came out great. Excited about that one. Second one was this one. This was also a design team layout for Speak Lump Scraps. So if you want to see this layout, I'll have it linked down below, but it's on their channel. But I really love how this one came out. There's some cat hair attached to it. But I used this cut file from Jelly Bean Soup that was in my kit. I purchased this only like a couple months ago, so I'm glad I finally got to use it, even though it's been in my stash just a little while. And some of these items aren't glued down very well, but that's fine. But I included all these cute sequins, and then it's just a really loud layout, which is nothing like me. And if you didn't get a chance to watch this one, you can see how I backed these. It looks like pattern paper. This is actually washi tape. So you should definitely check that out if you're interested to see how I did that. But really love how this one turned out. Definitely very loud for me. I don't usually do this busy of a page, but I'm really excited with how it turned out. I did a double page layout, which I don't think this will all fit in the frame, but we'll try. Called Apartment Life. I did expand outside my kit for this one. These cardstocks were not in my kit, but I really wanted to use this color because we had a very fall theme for my apartment because we took these in the fall. That's when we moved in. So that's how this color came to be, but it's just some cardstock from my stash. And I used my inspiration paper on this one again. I do a process video for this on my channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below, but I really wanted to do a double page layout just to switch up what I was doing on this challenge this month. Next month I plan on doing a lot of things, but we'll see. July's a very busy month. I have some business trips, some birthdays. My birthday's in July, so we'll see how it goes for that. This was also a design team layout on the Speak Lump Scraps channel. I have it linked down below as well, so I have them in order so you guys can check them out. If you haven't checked it out, I have a new description set up. So I link all the videos I've mentioned and all of the products I've used in a process video, so if you're interested in buying anything, let me know because it'll be down there if it's still available. So there's this one. I really love this Pink Fresh Studio paper, and then I expanded my color scheme for this one. I went with the peach cardstock, which is totally outside my comfort zone, but I really like how it turned out. So cute. Again, I'll have it linked down below. My favorite layout of the month was this one based on my stash kit. I did make, I think, one other layout that wasn't with my kit, but that's because it's a design team layout. But this is my favorite layout, and I know there's a lot of people who like to put threads through their tags, but I still haven't found something to put through. I was thinking like a thin gold thread, but this is what ended up happening. Just nothing in there right now. This is my favorite layout, and I did expand outside my kit again for this. I had no letter stickers in my kit, so this is the title I chose, and then most of these tags were not in my kit. But no hard feelings. I used a lot of my kit still. All the embellishments were from the kit, so really love how this one turned out. Again, link down below. Let's see, last one I did was this one called Pool Chat, which is falling apart already, and this was a very clean and simple layout, which tends to be my style, but I really liked the diagonal title. And as you can see, there's a theme with these stickers. I didn't have any letter stickers in my stash, but I used these ones specifically on 3 of my layouts, which is kind of crazy because I usually don't do that. I usually try to mix it up, but this is just a really simple layout, nice and teal, monochromatic almost. I think it might qualify. Is this green or is this blue? It's one of those questions that I never know how to answer. It's teal, so it's both, but, you know. So I'm going to consider it monochromatic, even though it might not be. So let's see, I completed 1, 2, 3, 5 single page layouts and 1 double page layout. So 7 layouts, I guess we'd say, right? Because a double page is 2, so 7 layouts. Very excited about them. Let me know which one was your favorite. I have to say this one's still my favorite. Definitely my favorite. I did a lot of different design techniques this time around. So I even did the double page, but there are a lot of single photo layouts, but they all look extremely different. So again, let me know which one's your favorite. This is a close second though, and this is a close second as well. I really love this one. I don't work with orange or yellow. Well, here's another example of orange, but I don't work with yellow too much as the main component. Is this yellow or orange? No idea. But let me know which one was your favorite. I loved all of them. But that's all of those. So pretty good for just a month. I didn't have a lot of time like I wanted to work on it. But here's the rest of the kit that I've left over. It's essentially my entire kit. I didn't use half the stuff I put in here, but that's what I do for the sake of making greater layouts, is to give myself more options. So there's one 8.5 by 11 that I didn't use at all. Here's my scrap papers. I also have some smaller ones, but I'm not going to drag those out. And also sorry that there's a shadow now, but most of my 12 by 12s are still here. I don't know how many I started with, but I didn't cut any into any of them unless I used the whole sheet. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? I think there's 15 pieces that I didn't use, so not too bad. But again, I have a new kit to share, so it's fine. I could work with the same kit, but I like to switch it up very much so. So here's some things. I used a bunch of these. I did use both paper pads at least a little bit. I'm pretty sure I used Summer Dreams more than Garden Party by Pebbles, so that's okay. I used one paper clip out of here. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, one paper clip. Really disappointed in that, but I just got those, so it's fine. Some of the Pink Fresh Studio Puffy stickers, use those. None of these. Some of these. A couple of these. None of these. No stamping occurred. No mixed media occurred. None of this. None of these things that I included. None of them. Not a single one. I feel like I was pretty lazy this time around. I didn't use any of this stuff. I just didn't want to get messy because I knew I'd have to clean it up. So no mixed media this around. That's okay. I did use washi tape on every layout, I do think. Didn't use all these washi tapes, but I liked having the options. So I used, I think, this one, this one, this one, this one, definitely this one, and I think this thin deal. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 washi tapes maybe. Not 100% sure on that number, but we used some of those. Before I forget this container over here, I did use a lot of embellishments from my Little Girl Project Life kit, so that's good. I used enamel dots. I used some doilies, I think one doily. I used a lot of flare and just the random die cuts I put in here. I was still in the midst of cleaning my craft room while I was making this kit, so a lot of stuff I wanted to pull in I didn't have. Why are these in here? Oh, this is from the Christmas thing I dropped. These were not part of my kit, but these are adorable Christmas things. These I used a little bit. I used a bunch of my rubber chips, which destroyed a couple of my layouts, but I just wiped off all the glue gunk. Don't use liquid adhesive or tape adhesive on these. They interact very poorly with them. Use a stapler or their metal attacher. So I used 6, 7, 8, 9. So I used 5 of these, pretty good. I used one Amy Tangerine Puffy sticker. I used 3 of these, which these are really fun. I might have to DIY some of those. If you guys would like a tutorial on that, let me know, and I'll show you guys how I make those. I used a couple of these. It's on the sheet behind this one, so that's embarrassing. But and I also used 2 die cuts from that. I didn't use any of those. I didn't use that rosette I made. I didn't use the, I used some of these sequins. I know I used these ones. Pretty sure I used all of these loose colors that I have. There's another one I'm missing. I'm missing my Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequin Mix. I probably put it away when I was done because it was a design team layout, but I have a couple Spiegel Mom Scrap Mixes I use as well. Didn't use my glitter glue. Did not use these. I used this blue ribbon, not the pink ribbon. I did not use either of those. Guys, this is not going to be fun when I have to clean it up after this video. Did not use that, obviously. It's still here. Didn't use those, or these, or these. No, I definitely didn't use those. There's the ones I did use. Didn't use that frame. Did use a bunch of the new ephemera pack from Pink Fresh Studio. Glad I included that. Lost the package to these somehow, but I didn't use them. Oh, there it is. Gotta repackage those. Didn't use many of my doilies. Used a couple, sorry, it's upside down. Used a couple of these chipboard stickers. Again, those are brand new for me. I think I used none out of here, which I need to finish those off. I've had them for a while. Here's another piece that I included that I didn't use. And that's it. And again, if you guys are wondering, this is the IKEA. Oh man, I got it so dirty. I'll have to try to get that off. Magic eraser will probably get that off. But this is a cardboard organizer with like metal rivets and a metal handle. And this is from IKEA. It's called Fajala, F-J-A-L-L-A if you're interested. Great to store your kits. Has a lot of compartments. It's also got a bunch of stuff I need to clean out of the compartments, but that's okay. But that's it. I made the kit. I did not kill the kit. I definitely did not kill the kit. I definitely used the kit, so that's good. But here's my favorite layout. I'll do one last flip through of them in case you want to pick out another favorite. So leave me your favorite down below, and I hope you guys are excited for next month. I will have my kit share up on the 1st, and of course the killer kits go up on the last of the month, so I'll have everyone linked down below that also did this series with us this summer. But get ready for July. Should be a fun month, and I have a really special kit using some super old stuff, so be ready for that. So again, let me know which one's your favorite down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, definitely be sure to subscribe so you guys can keep up with my kits and all my nonsense. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!